What are you talking about, Father?
You see, my daughter, many years ago, I had a pact with a friend that you will marry his son when he come of age. As you can see, you're very marriageable. So now is the time.
What? What are you talking about, Father? How can you ask that of me?
You know, my daughter, that I can never take any decision that will not benefit us. Now let me tell you this. As one of the richest families in Ogede community, it is only necessary, if not imperative, for us to merge our family with one of the richest families in Amagede in order to strengthen our business relations.
I do not care, Father. I cannot marry the man you've chosen for me. No way!
Okay, you know something, my daughter. Maybe I should put it this way. Let me tell you about Einaya. You see, Einaya that I'm betrothing you to is a very loving young man. He is rich and powerful, and he has all it takes to make you live like a queen. Yes.
Why are you hurting me, Father? Why do you want to send me to a man I know nothing about? Don't you want me as your daughter anymore?
Oh, my...
Tell me, Father, have I suddenly become a burden to you?
You can't be a burden to your father. Don't talk like that. Okay, you know something? I'll arrange for both of you to meet, okay? If he's the kind of man you like to marry, fine. You go ahead and marry him. But if not, that is, if you don't like him, forget him. No problem.
You won't force me?
How can I force my own Joel? That's not possible.
Very well, Father. I will go to Amegede and see my betrothed. And if I find him worthy, I shall marry him.
You sound very funny, my daughter. That's again our tradition. You do not go and see the man that you've been betrothed to. He will come with his own people to come and see us. That's the tradition.
No, Father. I don't want it that way. Please, allow me to go to Amegede to see my betrothed. Please, Father. I beg of you.
That's a very difficult decision to take. This is against our tradition.
Father.
Well, okay. If that's the way you want it, so be it.
Thank you, Father.
Anything for my Joel.
Excuse me.
Okay. My daughter. Children.
My lady, your food is ready. Should I serve you?
Food. Do you think that is what I need at this time? My father wants to send me away. Tell me, Kamara. Do you think my father no longer loves me?
My lady, it is known all over Ogede. They are the apple of your father's eyes. He loves you unconditionally.
Why then do I feel like he wants to send me away? Just leave. I need to be alone.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much, Mother.
Thank you, my son.
Ichioka, please. Tell me more about this Nche Nduka and the marriage issue.
Well, Nche Nduka is one of the richest men I've ever known. Yes. Me and your father had an agreement before you were born. And the agreement is that you get married to his daughter.
Uncle, what I still do not understand is why he never made mention of this to me. He practically forced me to say yes, even on his dying bed.
My son, trust me. Your father only had your best interest at heart. You and I know that your father will never make a decision that isn't right.
But how sure are you, Mother? How sure are you about that?
Listen, young man. This marriage will benefit you.
Yes.
It's a marriage of the wealthy. Think about it. The power and influence that will come to you from this union.
I understand what you're talking about, but what if I don't have feelings for my so-called betrothed?
Young man, who's talking about feelings? In these days and time, what is important is what you will benefit from the union. Look at me. My first wife was given to me because the father owed me some money. And for my second wife, she was given to me as a gift. So what is the problem?
My son, I am very sure that you will get along with your betrothed. Your mother, was also betrothed to your father. Even though I never saw him before we got married, we lived happily. Yes.
I've heard you, Mother. I understand all you've said, Uncle. Nche Nduka sent words across that his daughter will be visiting us soon.
Eh?
Yes.
That's very good. It will give you an opportunity to meet your future bride.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
Don't worry, my boy.
Kamara, can you tell me exactly what is going on?
As I speak to you now, Nche Nduka has arranged Zarachi's marriage without her knowledge.
Ha! It's not true. Wait. Do you mean Nche Nduka is giving out his one and only beloved daughter out in marriage?
Right now, Zarachi is reveling mad about the situation. And she's so angry. I don't even know what to do to calm her down.
Hey, but this is really hard to believe. Do you think Zarachi will want to marry the man her father chose for her?
No. Ask me. I'm Zarachi.
But let's go.
Talk too much.
Tell me, what is this that I hear?
Wando, you tell me what you heard. Because you are used to spreading tales up and down. Tell me what you heard.
Well, word's got to be that you are getting married soon. So tell me, who is the lucky bride?
Is that what you heard? You don't need to bother yourself about it because it's not somebody you know.
And you, Eyinea, you agreed to this? I think something is wrong somewhere. I cannot believe Eyinea I know can agree to this.
Wando, what do you want me to do? What do you expect me to do? I promised my father and I have to keep to it. I have to.
Is that so?
But if I don't have feelings for my intended bride, I don't think I'll go on with the marriage plans.
That's all?
Yes. But please, don't bother about that. Tell me, how is your mother and your beautiful sister, Ozioma?
They are both fine. They extend their greetings to you.
When was the last time we went to pluck mango?
So that's it.
You stop this your tail telling. Let us go and pluck the mango.
Mother. I would have made a part. I should have this.
Manage it. I told you that I want to go to the farm. Let's eat it. Tomorrow I prepare a good one for you.
Mother, There's the girl's food, I know.
See, if you want to eat, go inside and get your own. What is it? This one is for mother and I.
Ozioma, allow your brother to eat with us. Eat. Wash your hand and come and join us.
Ozioma.
That reminds me of one. How is Enyinya and his mother?
Mother, they are fine.
Oh.
They sent their greetings. Hey, Mother, you will not believe what I'm about to tell you.
What is it?
Enyinya, my friend, is getting married.
Getting married? To who? How? Where? When? How come?
Ozioma, calm down. Calm down. Jirini, why you? One question at a time. Here.
Now, my son, tell us, who is Enyinya getting married to?
A maiden from Maiden.
Maiden?
Yes. According to Enyinya, they have been betrothed since birth.
No. That is not possible. Enyinya would have made mention of that to me. Mother, don't you think so?
You are very correct, my daughter. How come this is the first time we are all hearing about this? Even my friend, Omasteri, never mentioned it at all.
Yes, Mother. That is because she didn't find out like the rest of us.
Hey.
Enyinya's father made a revelation on his dying bed.
That is not fair. How could he ask that of him? Mother.
It's okay.
All I know is that Enyinya's betrothed will soon pay him a visit.
Take.
Since you came. Talk to me about that.
My father wants me to marry someone else. He got me betrothed to him since my childhood.
No, that is not possible. But I mean, just tell him we love each other. You are mine. We belong to each other.
I know all of that, but my father won't accept us being together.
Then let's go to your father and explain to him how much we love each other.
You know that is not possible. My father won't accept you as his son-in-law. You're just a commoner, and he would want me to marry someone of my class.
Sirachi, I love you, and I can't let you go.
I love you too. I have a plan.
Trust you. Just don't forget I am here and I care for you.
You've been my friend, my very good friend. As you can see, the gods are with me.
Chiendoka, I've seen it already. The handwriting is on the wall.
Thank you. Very good. Hey. You see, I received a message from Enyinya. Yes. He was expecting my daughter at Amaigide in a fortnight. Yep.
Okay, but is it not supposed to be Enyinya that will come to your household?
My brother, you are very correct. Very correct. Of course, that's what the tradition says. But you know how stubborn my daughter is. You see, well, I don't want anything to go wrong with this arrangement. So, if that's the way she wants it, then let her go ahead.
You see, if this marriage eventually works, it's for our own good.
Now you understand where I'm coming from.
Yes.
baby. I can't wait for that day.
You heard?
Yes. So it's true. Are you going to marry her?
Ozioma, I don't know. She's my father's choice of a bride for me.
What about what you want? Eh? I mean, you should be the one to choose your bride, not your father. What if she is ugly? You don't even know this maiden. What if she's someone you can't love? What then?
I do not know. Honestly, Ozioma, I do not know what to do. This was never my intention. But it has become an obligation I have to fulfill. It was my father's dying wish. He personally made me to promise him. He did.
Eninaya, come on. Some promises are meant to be broken. You must not marry this maiden. Eh?
Okay, let me get to meet her. Then, if she's not to my liking, I'll find ways to push her away without hurting her feelings.
My friend, you can leave that to me. I will personally make life miserable for your so-called bride. Yes.
Ozioma, you and your mischiefs.
Oh, come on, my friend. You know I have your back always. You are my best friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for always having my back. Come, there's something I'd like to show you.
Serious? What could that be?
Yeah.
Can you tell your mother why your face is looking like that?
Mother, I am not happy. I'm not happy at all.
And what is the problem?
Mother, I can't stand back and watch Enyinea marry that stranger. Enyinea belongs to me. He is mine. Enyinea marries no one but me.
My child, do not allow your desperation control you. You can't allow Enyinea to see how desperate you are.
But mother, he doesn't even want to marry this so-called maiden. He's just doing it to please his late father.
Even at that, you just have to remain calm. Enyinea is your friend. If you want to win his heart, you just have to remain the way you are and not make him to see how desperate you have become.
Mother.
Yes, my daughter.
Are you sure it will work?
I am very sure.
Okay. I will do as you have said.
Okay. Since you have agreed to do as I have said, can you give your mother a smile? That is not you. Good. You have to...
Daughter, I received a message from Enyinea. He's prepared to meet with you in a fortnight.
Very well, Father. I shall prepare for the journey. I would like to go with two of my mates, Camara and Oledo.
That's okay. I mean, the fact that you have agreed to meet with him is okay by me.
I will be spending a few days with him. We have to get to know each other.
That would be very wonderful. Very. very wonderful. Well, you know something? When you get there, take some time off to get to know that place. Amagede is a productive land. Very productive. You'll love the place. You'll love it. Oh, you'll love it.
Very well, Father. I have to go prepare.
That's all right. My joy. My daughter will soon be married.
Greetings, my lady. Oledo, I want you and Kamara to prepare. We leave for Amegede in fortnight.
My lady, you mean you want us to accompany you?
I already informed my father, for it is a journey I cannot embark on all by myself.
Okay, my lady, we'll prepare for the journey.
Good.
Kamara, are you not surprised she wants us to accompany her?
How will I be surprised? We are her servants. Her wish is our command. Is that why you pushed me like that?
Well,
just push somebody like that.
My friend, but why is your face like this?
I just left Enyinea's hut.
Is it true? Is Enyine actually getting married to a stranger?
Yes, and I swear by the gods, I will put a stop to that marriage.
Ozioma.
Yes, Erima. I can't stand back and watch him marry that stranger. Never!
But tell him you love him. Let him know you're in love with him.
Erima, I can't. What if he rejects me? Eh? He only sees me as a friend and nothing more. We grew up together. I always thought I would marry him. Eh?
But it's not too late. It's not.
Erima, I can't. I can't. What if he doesn't love me the way I do? Eh? I can't.
I'm sorry, my dear friend. I feel your pain. So, what are you going to do about it?
Put a stop to that marriage. I will make sure he doesn't accept that maiden.
And if he does?
Please, I don't want to think about it. Please.
Elena, you don't like listening to me. Why?
Please.
Why, Ozioma?
Go where you are going to.
I want you to go and fetch firewood and make a delicious meal. Yeah? We are expecting a very important visitor. Go. And you, clean everywhere. I want this whole environment to be neat. Hmm? Go.
Yes. My son, I have never seen you act this way before. I am so glad that you have come to terms with all this.
Mama, you're sounding like I have any other choice. I want to make father proud. I made a promise to him that I intend to keep.
He will be proud of you. You will make him proud. I am very sure that wherever he is looking down to you with so much admiration.
Mama, you think so?
Yes. My son, I can't wait to meet your betrothed.
Mama, Genoa, she's coming. Hey, mother, how come father never informed you about this plans?
You and I know that your father will be very secretive. Let's just say he had his reason. But I do not know
But it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy without more. Where is this boy I say should clean all this place?
Thank
Uzioma, you only act nice when you want something from me. So tell me, what is it?
Wando, I can't believe you don't trust me. So I can't be nice to my brother again.
And I know you well, my sister. Tell me, what do you want?
Fine. My brother. I want you to tell me about Enyinea's bride.
Uzioma, don't get involved. Enyinea does not belong to you.
Wando, I do not intend to do anything. I only want to know who she is. We don't know anything about her. All of a sudden, we heard that she's betrothed to Enyinea.
Well, Enyinea, my friend, wasn't even aware. But you know, sometimes in life, one is bound to make a sacrifice in order to succeed.
In other words, he should sacrifice his happiness. What if he does not like the so-called bride?
Uzioma, I will still tell you again. This is not your business. And Enyinea would never be yours.
My good friend and brother Ibe, the day has finally come. Oh, yeah?
Yes, you are right. The day has finally come. This marriage between Zarachi and Enyinea will bring good fortune to us all.
Bam! You said it all.
I can imagine the abundance of wealth that will be flowing when these two villages come together.
I know. It was my father that put all these things together. I, Unuka, I'm just following instructions.
Okay, but you've done it. You've done it well. Let's just continue celebrating. We need it.
Ibe, my brother. You like drinking palm wine, and you always have excuse.
But what will I do? I love palm wine. You see, I love celebrating.
It's okay. Let's keep on. Take more.
Going to Amegede with both of you.
But why, my lady?
I will not marry that so-called Enyinea. What if I get there and I find out that he's one old, ugly, disgusting human? What do I do?
So what then do we do?
I want you to pretend to be me.
What? It's unbelievable. Nobody would believe that.
It's very simple. I want you to act like me, dress like me, act like you're from a wealthy home. Oledo here will act like your servant. I want you to do everything you can so that Enyinea will hate you.
But my lady, don't you want to be married to Enyinea?
Of course not. My heart belongs here in Ogede. So, Kamara, will you do as I have said?
it's like a dream. Because for fear that I had lost you forever.
There's no way I would have left you, Ezechi. You are my love. And you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I love you so much. I love you truly. And you are the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Listen, I will do everything in my powers to provide all your needs.
I love you. And that is all that matters to me. Just want to hold you close.
I hope your being here will cause a rift between you and your father.
No. My father won't find out about this. There's no way he will know that I am still here in Ogede, for he thinks I'm on my way to Amagede. Why are you thanking me?
Because you keep proving to me that you love me so much. I mean, beyond flattered that you chose a nobody like me.
Do not think so little of yourself. For in you, I see strength and wisdom. What you lack in wealth, that you have in strength and wisdom. And that is what I admire about you.
Okay? Have your seat.
If not that you came to rescue me from the saga of love, what would have become of me?
How on earth did she come up with such a plan? Seriously, I don't even know how I'm going to act like her. Come on, it's very easy. You take a step, then you wind your hips, and you say, "Ole, do, is my food ready?"
Only do. But I feel you're just a better Zarachi than I am.
Don't worry, I'm here with you. Everything will be fine. Let's go.
I just hope so.
Day and night, I'm thinking of you. Each love more. When you, Bobby more. If we're gone,
Ozioma, my friend. Erima, what brings you? I was about going out. Ozioma, my friend, tell me, I can't wait. Where are you going to? Well, I'm going to Enyineya's hut. Enyineya's hut? Is there something going on there? My friend, don't tell me you forgot that today is the day Enyineya's betrothed is coming to Amegede.
How? How can I forget a thing like this? I want to be there present. Let's go.
Erima, you always want to be present.
Of course, I always want to be present. I don't want to be told by anybody. I want to be there live and direct.
My friend.
Let's go.
It's okay. Let's go then.
Mama, I'm very sure that she would have gotten some more. So I'm just...
I know. That is more reason you should be relaxed.
Okay, I'm relaxed. I hope you are ready. Yes, I'm ready, Uncle Okafor.
I'm very proud of you. And I'm sure you find this as well. You have made the right decision.
I just hope so, Ichi Okafor. You know, Father told me before dying that this union is going to make the ties with the people of Amogede stronger. You're right. I just hope your betrothed gets here soon. Yes. Mother, hope everything is in place.
Yes, everything is in place.
very sure Kamara and Olido must have gotten to Amegede by now.
So, are you worried?
Not really. I just want to get over this whole chapter once and for all.
Do not pretend, Zarachi. I can sense your anxiety. Yes. I mean, it's clear that this whole issue is stressing you out. But listen, talk to me. I can ease off your tensions.
Listen, there's nothing you can do about this, Ezechi. What if my father finds out about my intention?
Okay. That's okay. I'll do everything within my powers to make you feel better. Okay? I do not want to see you feel sad ever again. Smile for me.
It's a love for love. It's a monanga. Sambiri wa sambiri wa Yenu mo love mo yenu mo nyemacho. Ewe wo. Ifu iche mo.
Hey there, my friend. Welcome. Welcome once more. You know, we've been expecting you for so long.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Zarachi, this is my uncle, Ichie Okafo.
Welcome, my child.
Thank you, sir.
And this is my lovely mother, Nne Naya.
You are welcome, my child. You are such a beauty.
Mama, she's our beauty, Zarachi, this is my right-hand man, Okwakam Nwando.
Nwando ne-edo mmiri edo anyanwụ.
Inuria, ne-edo mmiri, ne-edo
anyanwụ. And he's my very good friend.
Yes.
Greetings, everybody.
Greetings,
everyone.
my sister. Greetings, everyone.
My sister is here.
I greet you.
You met us well.
You people are enjoying,
Yes,
come and join
because Zarachi is around. We are enjoying. Zarachi brings enjoyment.
Hey there, my friend.
Welcome.
It's a love for love. It's a monanga. Sambiri wa sambiri wa Yenu mo love for love.
Zarachi, she's so beautiful. I wasn't expecting to see a beauty like her. Oh, now I feel like my heart is already beating for her, pounding after her. Yes, she's the one. Without doubt, she's the one. Thanks be to the gods, for the gods are wise. The gods have blessed me indeed with a woman that my heart yearns for. Zarachi. Zarachi!
Never. I have started seeing myself as his bride. Ininaya belongs to me. He is mine. Mine alone. I will never allow anybody to take him away from me. Never.
Ozioma, what are you plotting this time around?
Wando, why do you always see me as a bad person? Why?
When it concerns you, I know what you're capable of. I bet you are thinking about Enyinea's new bride-to-be. But I must say, she's not what we all expected her to be. Yes, she's beautiful.
Beautiful more than me?
No, not more than you, my beautiful sister. You are much more beautiful than her. But please, Biko, don't go looking for trouble. Remember, Eyinea sees you as a friend and nothing more.
Wando, but I can be more than that to him. Eh? I love him. I believe he will love me too.
Remove that thought from your mind, Ozioma. I'm going.
Wando, you are going to... Where are you going? Eh? You can't go. Please tell me. Tell me anything. I'm ready to do anything to send that girl away.
Don't tell me that you both have started arguing this morning.
It's your daughter, mother. She's the one. Mother, I'm leaving.
My child.
Mother.
Get it for. You have not been in a good mood since you returned yesterday. Ogini.
Mother, how can I be in a good mood when that stranger is about to take my Enyinnaya away from me?
Ozioma, Ozioma, what is it? What has come over you? Why are you acting so desperate all of a sudden?
Mother, please. Please don't start. If you won't support me, you better don't say anything. Biko.
Hey. What is going on, Biko? Ozioma, you can talk about it. Eh? Jello?
It's a love, no. It's a monanga. Sambiri wo. Yenu mo love, mo yenu mo nyemacho. If you reach a mona love, sambiri wo. I've been searching for you. I've been looking for you.
It is my lady. So tell me, have you seen your betrothed this morning?
No, I haven't set my eyes on him yet.
He's so handsome.
Yes, I know. And I wonder why Zarachi feels he's ugly and old.
Tell me, my friend, what will you do?
I don't know. He's so handsome. And above all, he commands respect. And then, his people fear him a lot.
You don't have to be afraid of him. Remember, he's your betrothed, and you're as powerful and wealthy as he is. Have that at the back of your mind.
That's not me. That's Zarachi.
You're now Zarachi, so you should act like her. Don't forget that.
Fine. But I'm just nervous.
You should be. I saw the way the both of you were staring at each other yesterday.
Oh, wait, though. That is not true.
It's the truth. Kamara, my friend, please, guard your heart. I don't want you to fall for him.
Olwedo, I will not. What do you take me for?
I'm just saying.
Don't say that. Better keep your talk to yourself.
Very well then. Let's make ourselves useful.
For you, Nabi kuchara muwabimwa nagi kamnacho. Biko batanu wabimwa nagi kamnacho. I can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Ona uwa no ije love. Love, I eat if
Zarachi, is it that your beauty increases by the day? Look at you, shining, looking more beautiful than you were yesterday.
Thank you.
So, tell me, hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. Thank you for your hospitality towards me yesterday. You are far better than my imagination.
I see. Did you think me a monster before coming to America?
Well,
You can be honest to me.
Well, I was thinking you are an old man.
Huh?
Or probably a very wicked person.
What? You thought that of me, Zarachi? Wait, is it that your father did not tell you anything about me?
No, he didn't. He just told me I was going to get married to you.
Honestly speaking, I also did not have any knowledge of you. I thought you to be ugly. Plus, many other things I do not want to tell you. But now that you're sitting close to me, right before my eyes, I know that my father made the right choice for me. You do not have to say anything. Zarachi, you are going to be my bride. I just want to know you more, get familiar with you. Take my hand. Let us take a walk around America. Let me show you different places.
For you, Nabi Kotaramu Obimo, Nagi Kam Nacho. Biko Batano Nobimo, Nagi Kam Nacho. He can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Ona no is your love.
To tell me, bring it on already and stop wasting my time. Please.
I saw your Inyaya today, strolling hand in hand with his bride-to-be round the village.
What? Wait, Erima, are you sure of what you're saying?
Will I joke with a thing like that? You need to have seen the way they were, looking so perfect, as if the gods created them for each other.
Oh, please, Erima. Are you out of your senses?
I'm sorry, Nad. You know how my mouth can be. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. So, my friend, what are you going to do about it?
Just leave that to me. I know what to
do. I will pass through hence and troubles for me to have all my joy. I am looking straight to the eye. Yeah.
Uncle, the truth of the matter is I'm more than excited. The gods are indeed mysterious.
Hey, how do you mean?
I mean Zarachi, my intended wife. She's everything I've ever wished for in a bride. Yes.
You don't mean that?
Uncle, I mean it. I mean it. As a matter of fact, I feel I shouldn't waste any more time because it feels like she's the one the gods have chosen for me. Yes.
May the gods be praised. Your father will be so happy anywhere he is. I can assure you that. Do I send the word across to her father?
No, not yet. I want to take everything bit by bit. I want to be able to win her heart and also make her feel comfortable with the idea of being my bride.
That is true. You have a point there.
Uncle, you just wait. You just give me small time. Let me just see to it that everything gets arranged and she'll be familiar with me. I'll be familiar with her.
Love is so sweet.
This one is more than sweet. Can't you see that she's fine? If Zarachi passes, it's as if my heart is passing.
Oh my.
I like the sound of that. I never gave birth to a girl. So having you here, it feels wonderful. So I can now have a daughter. You and me will be planning grandchildren.
Mother, don't you think it's too early to start saying that?
Of course not. I want grandchildren.
Very well, Mother.
Where are these maidens? Bring water.
Mother, let me go.
It's not your work. Sit down. It is the work of the men.
But Mother, I'm also in bed.
You are also a what?
I mean,
I'm also worried. She will bring the water.
Okay. Okay, Ma.
Take your money.
I saw you the other day. You must be Zarachi.
Yes, I am. Who are you?
I am Osioma, Enyinaya's friend. Enyinaya, my brother and I grew up together.
It's nice to meet you. And I'm glad to know that Enyinaya has a friend like you. This is my friend and my maid, Ollie.
Zarachi, why don't we take a walk? From there we can get to know ourselves better.
Take a walk with you?
Yes. But please, don't say no. Beautiful. Thank you. Let's go.
From Amegede?
Not yet, not a word. It may just be a good sign, who knows? Maybe my daughter has finally accepted her fate. In other words, she has agreed to marry Enyinaya.
That will be wonderful. And we'll gain from it if the marriage goes through.
Of course I know. Are you telling me, my friend? That was why I accepted it many years ago, when Inaya's father suggested it. I knew I was going to gain I knew I was going to gain a lot from it.
You are a wise man.
You can say that again. The gods have blessed me with a lot of wisdom.
It can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Mona no is your love, who is your mona love? Mona no is your love, it's if naya. Amara monye jobi mama.
My love.
How are you?
Let me help you.
No, of course, this is not for you, right? Just sit. I will get it done.
But...
No, but sit and watch me. Okay?
Thank you for being you. I love you.
You know I love you too. And I promise to do everything to make you happy.
Okay.
Sit and watch me get it done. After much, I'll roast you in Banunji.
Pico batano no more, Huggy can John. It can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Mona no is your love, who is your mona love? Mona no is your love, it's if naya. Amara monye jobi mama onye mi femna chon. I love you, oh baby, Opano gikan na chono biko dama kanu love. Hey hey. You with them on a love, someday wo. If we can wait, it's a love no, it's a monama, someday wo. Hey, you know my love, you know hey, if we with them on a love, someday wo. Miri maramu, them not choppy more. I will pass through hence and troubles for me to have all my joy. I am looking straight to the eye. You know when you're born. Who is the love for me? Who is the love for me? Who is the love?
I came to ask for Zarachi.
Come on. I mean, Zarachi.
Where could she be?
She left with Ozioma.
Ozioma?
Yes. I think she came to offer a hand of friendship to her mistress.
Are you sure Ozioma came here and left with Zarachi?
Yes.
Okay, when she gets back, tell her I asked after her that I'd like to speak with her. Thank you. Well done.
I'm really tired. Can we please go back home? Eh?
Zarachi,
My legs are breaking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you have to see the stream. It's very beautiful. I promise you, after seeing it, we'll head back home. Oh? I know. I would really love to see the stream, but we can still see it another day. I'm sorry. Just try for me. Eh? You need to see the stream. It's very beautiful, my friend. Hmm? Come, let's go. Beautiful woman. Don't worry. My beautiful girl. No, see the stream. We'll head back home. Oh? Don't worry. The stream is very beautiful. Ozoma, please don't do this to me. Oh, my legs. Ow, ow. Ozoma.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Ozoma, please don't do this to me. Ozoma, please.
I have done it already. Okay. You need help? Don't worry, let me go and get help. I'll be right back.
Ozoma, don't do this to me. Ozoma, what did I do? Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Wando, just tell me where Ozioma is. Tell me where she is.
Calm down, Enyinaya. What has gotten into you?
Ozioma went out with Zarachi since, and they are yet to return.
Is that why you are worried?
Yes, that is why I'm worried. I don't trust your sister. You know her now. You know how she can be. Wando, please, tell me Ozioma's whereabouts. Let me just go look for her. Tell me where she is.
I don't know, Enyinaya. I don't know. But then, let's not jump into conclusion. They will soon return.
You think so?
Yes.
Hi. But Wando, I don't know. I'm so unsettled. I'm worried.
Maybe you are so into your bride to be, I think.
Maybe so. You know, I actually cannot wait to marry her. She completes me. She gladdens my heart. She's the woman after my heart.
My friend, I'm very happy for you, and I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you.
Yes. After this, I am sure she will run back to her village. She thinks she can come from nowhere to take my Enyinaya away from me. Never. Enyinaya belongs to me. He is mine. Mine alone. Nonsense.
Where is she?
Where is who?
Zarachi. Where is Zarachi?
Zarachi what? What makes you think Zarachi will be here?
I was told she went out with you earlier in the day. Till now, she's yet to return. Where is she, Bikono, please?
No. That can't be. Huh? I left her long ago. She even told me that she was going to your hut.
I've asked my sister, and she assured me that she doesn't know Zarachi's whereabouts. Ozioma, do you know Zarachi's whereabouts?
I don't know anything, no. I don't know anything at all. But wait, though. What is going on here, Seth?
Ma'am, no one has seen her or heard anything from her. Eh?
Hey. What? Where could she have gone to? I don't know.
Ozioma, are you sure she's not here? Are you sure she's not here with you? Yeah. Zarachi!
Enough! What is it? I just said earlier that I know nothing about her whereabouts. Why are you pressurizing me to admit what I did not do?
Okay, it's okay. Ngwanu, let me go and search for her.
Please.
I'll come with you.
Please. Because... Come. She left this morning. They said she's here to come back till now.
I can't take this any longer. Zarachi must be somewhere. She must be somewhere all alone. We need to do something about it.
You are absolutely right, my son. You people should go and search for her. Please, search far, near. Nothing will happen to her.
I hope nothing happens to my mistress. I pray the gods protect her.
Son, listen. We will find her. Amanda Ekede is a peaceful life. We will find her.
Uncle, please. Take some able-bodied men with you. Search everywhere. Search the other wing of the village. I'll just go and do my own personal search.
Please, let me come with you. I can't stay here. I need to know she's alright.
Okay, come with me. Let's go.
Be careful, my son.
Yes.
I will pray to the gods to protect you all.
I'll be back. Come, let's go.
Gods of our land, please bring Zarachi back to us. Protect my son. Protect all of them that went in search of her.
Oturu onwe ya n'ụgbọ asị na n'oche eruteghị ya. Ụkpanụ kpoko gburu ọbụ ntị chiri ya. Ijiji nana ya n'ifere sosu anani. Proud, oh, brings down the downfall of a man. Gamebe odide sobeni ọnwa nọchie anyị ufu obi na-abụtela ọnụ ifere mana ife na-amaghị agaghị ebume ife na-amaghị gosi n'eli ọkatazisi Omi kpatara ịdị mma n'arụ m. Ọ bụ m butere ịfụnanya n'arụ m. O nwere onye nnachiri nke ya na-ekatụgharị m. Rapụrụ m olu ka m were ifeọma m n'abalị. Mmadụ inwe obi ọjọọ kwa ya butere fiebi. Ekwuelu m anụ gị. Afuna na mebudi nyaburu okene Manonya barasina mano inika ekene Ijiji nana gani fene susu anani Onye buruji yuso babu ome anasan Nganga buruza adidese biya yao Nabute ufuobi Nabute lamike Awi fere na chaka onye kanorana Disappointment on top appointment Would to believe no if we lose a chance Nabigi marana, nabigi marana, nabigi marana Onye kanji the job.
Tell me the truth. Do you have a hand in Zarachi's disappearance?
What if I do?
Gods of our land. It's you. I was right. You had something to do with it?
Erima, Zarachi is not good for Enyinaya. I can't stand back and watch her take my man away from me. Never!
But why? Why go that far?
Did you... Please, Erima. I only taught her a little lesson. But wait, what do you take me for? A monster?
Ozioma, you had better not do anything stupid. Because if Enyinaya finds out, he will never ever forgive you.
Oh, till then, please. What is it? Why
you even shouting at me? I didn't even do anything and you are shouting.
Erima, you are here.
Greetings, Wando.
Greetings. How is your mother?
She's fine, my dear. Thank you.
Erima, I hope you have talked some sense into your friend. Because she has been acting strange lately.
Thank you.
Please! Hold it there. Eh? Wando! Who asked for your opinion? Mind your business. Mind your business, Wando!
I should mind my business. Who asked for my opinion, you said? Well, Oziom, I hope you do the right thing. I will not say a word. I will mind my business.
Better do, people. You have heard
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, my daughter.
Sorry.
How is she?
Woman, the gods don't relent in a time like this. She will be fine. All you need to do is to give her more of the herbs.
We will do as you have said. Thank you for coming in short notice.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That is okay. Lest I forget, she needs rest.
Okay.
Okay. I must be on my way.
Thank you. Zarachi, what happened?
It's Ozioma. Ozioma tricked me. I didn't know she had bad intentions. I didn't know.
What exactly did Ozioma do?
We're walking down the road.
Okay.
I told her that I was very tired. She persuaded me to keep going. And then she pushed me into the pit.
Gods of our land. How on earth could she do such a thing? What is her problem? Why would she do something like that?
I'll be back, mother. Oledo, take care of her.
Enya, what are you going to do?
Don't bother about what I'm going to do. I'll be back soon. I'll be back.
My son, be careful.
Ozioma. Ozioma.
Morgan, what is it?
Ozioma, how dare you? What were you thinking? Ask your sister. Ask her what she did.
Enyinaya, I only had your best interest at heart.
What rubbish are you talking about? How is that having my best interest? She could have died out there.
Enyinaya, she is not the right woman for you. I just had to scare her away.
Ozioma. Yeah. Ozioma, don't tell me you're actually responsible for Sarachi's disappearance!
Wado, my brother, I only did what I thought was right. She is not the right woman for Enyinaya.
Ozioma, how can you say that? Who are you to decide what woman is right for me? I thought you were my friend. I will never forgive you for this.
Enyinaya, I am your friend!
Then why hurt the woman I love?
What?
Yes. I love Zarachi. Zarachi is the one that gladdens my heart.
No, she can't be. You barely know her.
Love knows no time frame. When you find a woman that completes you, time is not an obstacle.
No, Enyinaya, you can't be saying this. She is not the right woman for you. You can't be in love with her. No.
Ozioma, just stay away from her. Stay away from her. If you as much as set your eyes on her again, I swear by the gods, I will unleash the beast in me! Be warned! Warn her!
Enyinaya, calm down. I understand how you're feeling. Just calm down.
No, you don't. No, you don't. So just warn her so that you will know.
Ozioma, ọkwa nke m mere jụọ oyi mmụọ ọzọ.
I heard Ozioma had a hand in Zarachi's disappearance.
Huh? Why would Ozioma do such a thing? Is she that evil?
If you ask me, who will I then ask?
May God protect us from her. What about Zarachi?
I heard she's recovering in Enyinaya's hut.
If I were her, I'll go back to my village.
And you are not her. And you'll never be her. So, let's go.
Zarachi, how do you feel now?
I'm better now. You don't have to worry.
How can you ask that of me? Of course I will always worry about you. I could have died if anything had happened to you. Zarachi, I love you.
You can't love me anymore.
But why? Why is that?
Because I'm not who you think I am.
Zarachi, I don't care who or what you are. All that matters to me is the woman standing in front of me right now. Zarachi, from the first day I set my eyes on you, I knew it. Right from the first time I set my eyes on you, I knew it. I know that the gods had chosen you for me. Zarachi, come. Come to me.
In I need to rest now, please.
Zarachi, I said I love you.
Zarachi, I can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Oh no, no, it's your love, who is your mona love? Oh no, it's your love,
stretching myself.
How are you feeling now?
I'm very fine, Mother.
I hope the herbs worked.
Yes, Mother. I'm very fine, thank you.
Do you want me to bring back the healer?
No, not at all. I'm very okay. Thank you so much for your care. It means a lot to me.
Zarachi, you should know by now that I see you as my own daughter. I will do everything within my power to take care of you. My son gained a wife and I a daughter.
Thank you so much, Mother. Thank you so much. Thank you, my
child. I can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Oh no, no, it's your love, who is your mona love?
Kamara. Why are you seated here all by yourself?
What am I going to do, Olido? What am I going to do?
Okay. You have to calm down and tell me what it is, because you're not making sense.
Amen said he loves me. And his mother cares so much about me. I feel like an imposter.
Come on. Tell me the truth. Do you love him? It is written all over your face, Kamara. Even if you want to deny it, you can't.
I can't love him. I can't. How do I tell him I'm really not who he thinks I am? What about Zarachi? What are we going to do?
I don't know, Kamara. I really don't know.
I think we have to leave Amegede. We have to.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
I can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love. Oh no, no, it's your love, who is your mona love? Oh no, it's your love.
Look who we have here.
Ozima, what is it? Have you not done enough? What is it?
Ozima, what do you want? Zarachi, I want you to stay away from Enyinaya. Enyinaya and I belong together.
Ozioma, I'm not going to stand here and batter words with you. If you want Enyinaya, then you have him. Always though, let's go.
can I stay here and battle with you? Nonsense.
What is it, Ozioma?
I hate her. I hate her so much.
You hate who?
Who else? Who else if not that good for nothing Zarachi? I won't let her take Enyinaya away from me. I won't!
Ozioma, you seem to forget that Enyinaya does not belong to you.
He will very soon. Soon he will realize that he loves me and not her. Wando, Biko, Wando, you are my brother. Help me and convince Enyinaya to send her away.
I will do no such thing! Enyinaya is a grown man and can decide for himself. Ozioma, I think you need some self-respect. Stop chasing after a man who doesn't want you.
Sometimes I wonder if you're truly my brother. You won't support me! Even mother won't support me!
That is because you refuse to follow the right path. I will not support you, Ozioma. I will not support you. I'll set my own.
Can I speak with you?
Of course, you can speak with me.
I'm sorry I walked away from you the other day.
It's okay, Zarachi. On my part, I think I was one who was too quick to expressing my feelings to you. But don't blame me. It is how I feel.
Please don't love me anymore.
Zarachi, why? Why is that?
You can't love me anymore. You can't marry me.
What are you saying? Zarachi, I love you. I love you so much. And I know you love me too. I can feel it. I can see it in your eyes. Please, please, do not deny us of this chance of being together, please.
Yeah, please. Forget about us. Please.
No, Zarachi. I love you. Deep down my heart, I truly love you. We can work this out.
Yeah, please. I have to go. Please.
Because I don't know you can It can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love.
It's time. We leave immediately.
Kamara, are you sure? Are you really sure this is what you want?
I have no other choice.
You do, Kamara. You can tell him the truth.
All we do. And have him hate me for the rest of his life. Come on. Our time here is almost up. Please, let's go get our things ready. We leave immediately.
Day and night, I'm thinking of you. Each love more. When you, Bobby more. If we're gonna it's a love more. It's a monanga. Somebody was.
What is troubling you, my love?
Our time together is almost coming to an end.
Well, you don't have to worry about it. Because once there's a will, there will always be a way. We shall find a way.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Don't you trust me anymore?
I trust you. I trust you with all of my heart.
Listen, Zarachi, why do I have this feeling that all is not well? I mean, you seem lost. I feel you are no longer here with me.
Because no matter how I try to cheer you up in everything, it's not working. Are you regretting choosing me over your future dad?
How can you ask me such a question? You know you're the one I love. You know I want to spend the rest of my life with you. So why ask me such questions?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's just that sometimes I wonder what you really see in me and nobody.
You are somebody to me. Better believe that.
Get inside. Let me go check my trap. Be happy for me. Alright.
Greetings. They left already.
Are you sure?
Yes. They left with all their belongings.
I've been searching for you. I've been looking for you. Nebi kuchara mulobi mo nagi kam na cho. Biko batano lobi mo nagi kam na cho. You can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you.
I think we should head over to Rizek's house. But we can't get there unannounced. So what do we do? Let's go. No, Oledo. What if she gets angry if we show up there unannounced?
Would you rather we go direct to Ichie Luka's house?
But we can't go to Ichie Luka's house without Zarachi.
Okay then, quit thinking and let's go.
Greetings, beautiful maidens of.
What happened? But we still have a few more days.
We had to leave. Things were getting complicated. I even told Enyinaya that I wasn't going to marry him.
I don't want to hear that name. You did well.
I have something to say.
All that matters is that you both ahead. I'll figure out something to tell my father. Let me make myself clear.
Yes, my lady.
Why don't you let them sit down and have some other time? Do you really have to?
Alright.
Wando, I want you to prepare everything we may need. We leave to go to the village.
My son, are you sure? Is it the right thing to do? I mean, she already told you she wasn't going to marry you. So why go to him?
Uncle, Zarachi and I belong together. At this point, I need to fight for her. I need to make her understand that she belongs to me.
Yes, my friend.
everything within your powers to win her back. You have my support.
Thank you very much, Wando. Now that everything is complete, we live together in a fortnight.
What did you do to her? Why did she leave without a word?
I did nothing, Mother. All I did was express my feelings to her. I told her how much I love her.
If you told her you love her, that is not enough reason to chase her away. I am very sure you must have offended her.
I did no such thing, Mama. I did nothing.
Bring Zarachi back, Mama. Bring her back. Can't you see I'm beginning to love her?
I'll definitely bring her back. Let's go to my mother.
Go and bring her back.
I love you, and you, oh baby, Okwano gikam na chono biko dama kanu love mo. Hey hey, you eat them on a love.
My daughter. Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Father.
Please sit down. So now talk to me. How did it go? I mean, your visit to Amakede, was it a delight? And what would you say about Enaya? You like him? Huh? I'm sure you should.
Father.
Yes.
I am not going to marry Enaya.
What? Why?
Why asking me too many questions? He's not the right one for me.
Come on, my daughter. Talk to me. I need to know why. What happened? Please.
Father, I am very tired. I need to rest.
So, Wando, what you are saying is that Engineer asked you to accompany him to Okide, to ask for Zarachi's hand in marriage.
Yes, he did.
Wando, I know you want to help your friend, but I worry about you.
But I don't need to worry about me. I'll take care of myself.
He's my brother. Convince him not to embark on this journey. Eh? Convince him, Bikonu. After all, she was the one that left. Why is he running after her like dog in heat?
Watch your language, Ozioma. For it's my friend you speak of.
I'm sorry, one name. I'm sorry. But please, Wando, convince him to love me. Eh? I am here. He can't go all the way to Ogede to look for love. I am here. I will love him.
Hey,
please.
Ozioma, please put yourself together. Hold yourself together. Eh? You don't need to ask for a man's attention.
Ozioma, my sister. Why put yourself through this? You are a very beautiful woman that every man out there is ready to do whatever thing to have you.
Wando, I don't want another man. Is there any that I want? Please convince him to love me. Eh?
Well, I'm sorry, my sister. I'm afraid, for I cannot do what you ask of me. Engineer is in love with Zarachi. I will advise you go find love elsewhere.
Mother!
Mother, I'm going.
I love you, and you, oh baby, Okwano gikam na chono biko dama kanu love mo. Hey hey, you eat them on a love someday wo. If we can wait, it's a love and all, it's a man someday wo.
doing this to yourself? Do you want to cry yourself sick because of a man?
I miss him so much. I miss him so much.
I told you. I warned you not to fall in love with him. Now see.
How was I supposed to know? How was I supposed to know that I was going to fall in love with him? Oh, look at me.
It's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, okay?
I just hope so.
Good palm wine.
Greetings in Chiondoka.
Ijokafo.
It's been ages since I last saw
My
you.
good friend.
Yes.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Please sit down. Hey. You met me well.
Thank you, sir. This is Eyinaya, my late brother's son.
Eyinaya. He's a grown, look, he's a man now.
Yes, sir.
How time flies. Iji. Eyinaya.
Yes.
This is wonderful. You're welcome.
Yes.
I'll greet you again.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
My friend. Ijokafo.
Well, you're on a very simple mission.
Good.
He has come to take his bride back home.
I don't understand. What?
If I may come in, Ichenduka, first of all, I must acknowledge that it's an honor to finally meet with you. Yes, because my father spoke highly of you. Yes, and I'm also aware that your daughter has told you a lot, but I'm here to change her mind.
So, this is really wonderful. Yes. Are you saying that you are here to marry my daughter?
Yes, Ichenduka. Zarachi is the woman I want to marry.
Okay. All right. Let me go and call her.
Okay, sir.
Ijokafo.
My friend. Good to see you again, sir.
Thank you. I'm coming.
Greetings, Nine.
Where is my daughter?
She's inside.
Fetch her. Tell her we have some VIV. Very important visitors. And you get me the best palm one in the house. Okay. Hurry up.
Thank you.
I should be dancing now. It's Ijokafo. Eyinaya. Eyinaya.
Yeah.
Ichenduka.
What of your daughter?
She's coming. She'll be here in a moment. Yes. Like I said, you met me well. Okay, when you come, we'll get more cups and we'll take some palm wine.
Yes. You know, I always love fresh palm wine.
Yes.
Father.
Yes, my daughter.
You sent for me.
Yes. You see, Eyinaya is here to ask for your hand in marriage.
I don't understand. What is going on here?
Kamara, you can leave. Father, please, may I take permission from you? I want to see Eyinaya for some minutes.
Okay, no problem. Amen. You know, these children, they have their own style.
I'm telling you, they have their ways.
Let me start with my brother. Please. Let's start with this.
Okay.
This one is almost good.
He's here, oh, he's here. What are we going to do? He's here, oh.
Who is here?
Engineer is here. Hey.
You mean here in Ogede?
Yes. In the gas compound. I saw him.
Gods of our land. What would you do now?
Did he see you? He saw me. He saw me. Oh, he saw me. Hey.
What about Zarachi? Is she with him?
She's there with him. Ah. Hey. I told Zarachi. I told her. What do we do now? How do I face him? Hey.
Kamara, this is very serious.
Do you think we should run? Should we run?
What? Wait. What if Aina tells Chenduka everything that happened?
Do you think he will do that? Hey.
I don't know, my friend. I don't know.
What do we do? I told Zarachi. I told her. Now what do we do?
What's the meaning of this? Look, you had better explain to me what is going on here!
Let me explain.
Yeah, explain. I'm listening.
I am Zarachi, your betrothed.
And what about her?
She's Kamara, my servant. I asked her to take my place because I wasn't ready to meet you.
Kamara, your servant? Is this a joke? How dare you? How dare both of you play me? What for?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's my fault. I thought you're an old man. I wasn't thinking.
I can't believe this. Is your father aware of this?
No. Please, I beg you, do not tell my father. He'll be very disappointed in me.
I'm even more disappointed in you, Zarachi. I'm disappointed. I can't even believe both of you conspired to mock me.
That was never my intention. My father wanted me to marry a total stranger, someone I've never set my eyes on. I was just scared.
So you cooked up all of this? Did you even consider how I would feel about this plan of yours? Or you thought you were so clever that I wouldn't find out?
No, I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking.
Now you have all the time to start thinking.
Please come. Hey.
You see what you've been missing? Nice pop wine.
Sweet pop wine.
What? Are you leaving already?
Yes, in Chirinduka. I'm sorry, but we have to leave now. Thank you.
But it's your careful. Zarachi!
Kamara, why didn't you tell me that Eninaya is not an old man? That he is young and handsome?
I tried, my lady, but you didn't want to hear anything about him.
You would have insisted, you fool.
But my lady, it is not totally our fault.
Will you keep quiet, foolish thing? I can't believe you both are useless. Nonsense.
I can't believe she's blaming us.
I knew this was going to happen. Now Eninia will never forgive me.
I love you, and you will be Hey cares and troubles for me to have all my joy. I am looking straight to the eye.
Yeah.
Father, I have something very important to discuss with you.
Really? Sit down. You see, my daughter, I want you to tell me exactly what transpired between you and Ehinaya.
Father, I have decided to marry Ehinaya.
But why have you suddenly changed your mind?
Ehinaya made me understand how much he loves me. So I have decided to give him a chance. I left Amegede without getting to know each other very well. So I would like to go back there, if it's okay by you.
Of course, my daughter. What else could make me happier than having you married to Ehinaya? Huh?
Very well, Father. I'll have to go prepare.
Good.
I would like to go with two of my maids, Kamara and Oledo.
Very good. You have my support.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you,
my
Father.
daughter. Thank you, Amita.
Excuse me.
The gods of our fathers. I can see you're working hard for me.
But why did she lie? Why? Kamara, why? I gave her my heart. Turns out that she's been deceiving me all along. I've been fooled. I chose her as my bride. I gave her my heart. I will not forgive you for betraying the love and trust I have for you.
My son, you haven't said any words to me since you returned from Ogede. How did it go?
Mother, Zarachi or Kamara, whatever she calls her name, is not who she claims to be.
I'm lost, my son. What are you saying?
Mother, what I'm saying is that Zarachi is not Zarachi. Her true name is Kamara. She's a servant in Ichenduka's house.
Zarachi? A servant? How is that even possible?
Zarachi originally is Ichenduka's daughter. She sent her maid Kamara to disguise to be her, just because she's not interested in marrying me.
Gods of our land. Why on earth will she do such a thing?
I just don't know. I just know that I am very angry.
My son, calm down. Eh? Don't worry. At the end, everything will be fine.
I'll be in my heart.
How can this be possible? And why should she do such a thing?
I'm going away.
You're going away, I don't understand.
I have decided to marry Ehinaya.
No. You cannot allow your father pressure you into marrying another man. We belong to each other.
My father did not pressurize me. It's my decision.
Your decision? Why? Why such decision?
I have come to realize that I can't live the kind of life you expect of me. I deserve the finest things in life, and Eyinaya can provide that for me.
Listen, I love you so much. Can't you see? And I promise to treat you like the princess you are.
I can't live on empty promises. Please, forget about me. It's over between us.
Zirachi, please, don't do this to me. Don't ask me to forget about you. It's like asking me to stop breathing. Please. I still don't understand what happened at Obi. Please explain to me.
Uncle, it turns out that Zarachi, Ijeun Duka's daughter, cooked up a plan to fool me. The one that came here in disguise as Zarachi is actually not Zarachi. She is their servant.
Really? Isn't Ijeun Duka part of this?
Mba, I don't think Ijeun Duka is part of this. Zarachi cooked up this whole plan just because she did not want to get married to me. Uncle, can you imagine? I just feel so angry. I feel...
Calm down, son. Calm down, son. Calm down. You don't have to be irrational about this. You need to think through your next step before you take it.
Uncle Kafo, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but I feel so betrayed. I mean, how could she come up with such plan?
I understand, son. It is well. Hmm? It is well.
Wando, why can't you talk to me? I've been trying to get a word asked from you since you returned from Ogede.
Ozioma, why won't you let me eat this food in peace?
Please tell me, did Enyinnaya succeed in bringing Zarachi back to Amegede?
If I answer your question, will you allow me enjoy my meal?
Yes, I will.
You will?
Of course.
Fine. Enyinnaya didn't return with Zarachi, and she won't be coming back to Amegede again. Now, can I eat?
Wando, what do you mean by she won't be coming back to Amegede again?
Ozioma.
Wando, answer me. You can't keep me quiet now, eh? Tell me everything. I need to know. I want to know everything. Everything. Wando. Where are you going? Enyinnaya, I know you are still angry at me over what happened between Zarachi and I. I did it because I was trying to protect you. I'm sorry. Please.
It's okay, Ozioma. I hold nothing against you. I know you were trying to save me back then when I was blinded by her. It's okay.
How do you mean? How do you mean?
It's just that Zarachi or Kamara or whatever she calls herself is not who she claims to be. And I don't want to have anything to do with her anymore.
My friend, I'm sorry to hear that. I knew something was not right. Yes. Anyway, Enyinnaya, have you forgiven me?
Yes, I've forgiven you, Ozioma.
Oh, my friend. How I missed you. I just wish things would go back the way they used to be.
Ozzy. Ozioma.
My friend.
You will never change.
Of course not. So, Enyinnaya, can we take a walk?
Yeah, walk ukwa. Kita.
Ozugbo.
Okay, but we will not stay long.
I promise you. Let's just go.
Tell me what's going on. I had to leave everything I was doing at home to come here.
My friend, Enyinnaya told me that he is no longer interested in Zarachi.
Are you sure?
Yes. He said something about her not being who she claims to be. Well, I am not interested in that one. What matters now is that I can now have Enyinnaya all to myself. He now belongs to me.
Ozioma, don't you think you are being too forward?
How? No, I am not. You and I know that Enyinnaya belongs to me. She is no match to me. 10 of her put together cannot challenge me. She is nobody.
Ozioma, Enyinnaya is not the only man in this land. Besides, there are other noble men in Amegede kingdom.
Erima, to me, Enyinnaya is the only noble man in this kingdom. He is who I want to be with. I want to be with him.
Greetings, my lady.
I want you both to prepare. We leave for Amegede tomorrow.
Amegede?
But why?
Don't ask me silly questions. Go and pack everything.
My lady, can I please stay back? I don't feel this is right.
Why? Oh, you don't want people to know that you're just a common servant.
My lady, that's not it, my lady.
Then what is it?
We will go and pack our bags, my lady.
Better.
What is wrong with you?
Oluido.
Do you want us to become suspicious of you?
Oluido, I can't face Enyinnaya. I can't.
You have to, Kamara. You can't run away forever. Love does not work like that.
You don't understand. You don't understand this.
Let's go and pack our bags.
Baby, stop. Why are you always doing this? Ezechi, what are you doing here? Do you want my father to see you?
Zarachi, I have missed you. Listen, life without you is meaningless. Please, come back to me.
I have told you that I cannot. My heart is with Enyinnaya. So just forget about me.
Zarachi, is it really very easy for you to forget about the love we shared? No?
Ezechi, please just go. Just leave.
I am not moving an inch. But you tell me that all those things you have said, you should just stop it.
You make me laugh, Ezechi. Why on earth will I joke with such things? I no longer want you. It's time you accept it.
You are a liar. Is that the way you love? You just walk in and walk out. You will die here.
Please don't come and die in my house. Please just leave.
I will not go anywhere.
Ezechi.
Ezechi, what seems to be the problem? Are you alright?
Do I look alright, Orphan? I do not want to live anymore.
May the gods forbid. Why will you say such a thing? What's wrong? What is wrong with you?
The only woman I ever loved in this whole world has left me to be with another man just because he's richer than I am.
Is it my friend? No woman on this earth deserves your tears. Honestly. Is it let her go? It's her lost after all. You will find another, believe me.
That is the problem, Orphan. I can't be with another woman. No woman can be compared with Zirachi. She's the only woman I want.
It's okay. I understand you. But you have to calm down. Relax. Be a man. Or I want to die because of Zirachi.
Orphan, you only calm down. The only thing that can calm my nerves now is I want Zirachi.
It's okay. There's no problem. We'll talk about this later. For now, let's just go. See, let's just get out of here. Please, let's go. Huh?
Day and night, I'm thinking of you. It's a love more. When you, Bobby more. If we're gonna it's a love more. It's a monama. Somebody was. You know my love more. You know my name, natural. I've been searching for you. I've been looking for you. Nebi kuchara mulabi mo nagi kam nacho. Biko batano no mo nagi kam nacho. It can't take my rest if not I found you.
Are you going to tell me what you are doing here in Amegede?
I am here because I want to get to know the man I will call my husband.
Well, that marriage plan will no longer work. Not after the stunts you tried to pull.
You need me as much as I need you. You need my father's land. So, you can only achieve that when you're married to me.
In as much as I need your father's lands, it is non-mandatory to go through the marriage plans. Once I would have, but not any longer.
Do not let your pride deprive you of what you've dreamt of all these years. So, my father told me what you stand to achieve, but that can only be possible when we are married. So let's give it a try.
Give it a try.
Yes, let's give it a try.
Just like that. You are indeed your father's daughter. Excuse me.
I know you will come back.
Please don't go. Please wait. Please. I have something to say, please.
What do you want?
I need to explain something to you, please.
Explain what? Kamara, that's your name, right? Explain what?
Yes, I'm Kamara, Zarachi's maid. I'm nothing but a common servant.
Please, I tried so much to explain to you. Please, you have to believe me, please.
Believe you. Believe you. There is nothing you will do or say that I will believe you. You took my love for granted. You mocked me.
That's not true. I did not.
You are not permitted to call me by my name. You're nothing but a servant.
Inaya, please. You have to believe me, Inaya. Try it. I Greetings, Mother.
Greetings, my child.
I know we've not been formally introduced.
Yes.
I am Zarachi, daughter of Nduka, the most beautiful amongst them all. I brought you this beautiful gift.
All this for me?
Yes, Mother. There are many more from where this came from. These are one of my finest beads. They are quite expensive.
They're lovely. Thank you, my child. Thank you.
Yes, Mother. Mother, please, I would need a favor from you.
Tell me, what do you need?
I want you to please help me convince Eninaya to marry me. I know he's still angry with me for what I did. Please help me beg him to forgive me.
Don't worry, Zarachi. Eninaya, my son, will definitely marry you. That is how things are supposed to be.
Thank you, Mother.
Thank you, my child.
I'm so excited knowing that you're on my side. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, dear.
I will be in my heart, Ma.
Okay, my dear.
Thank you, Mother.
If you wish him on a love, somebody will mirror my ramu. Let them not chop him more. I will pass through hills and troubles for me to have all my joy. I am looking straight to the eye. The room when you're big, who are you to love for more? Who are you to love for more? Who are you to love for more? It's a moon, somebody will. It's a love for more. It's a moon, somebody will. You know my love for more. You know more than that. If you wish him on a love, somebody will.
Greetings, Mother.
How dare you address me as mother? Who gave you the right?
Mother.
You should know where you belong. Don't you ever in your life call me mother again. Do you think you can win your way back into my family? You lie! Now leave my presence. Leave! Nonsense. Mother. Let me see you.
If you wish him on a love,
finally up. I thought you wouldn't come back to life again.
Even at that, I am not still myself. My head hurts so bad.
Ezechi, it should hurt. It should hurt. Do you want to kill yourself over a woman?
No, we are not just talking about a woman. Zirachi is not just a woman. She is my heartbeat. She's the only woman that completes me.
Ezechi, she already left you. Why can't you accept that fact?
And I cannot accept that fact. Come on. Listen, Zirachi is mine and mine alone. I must do everything within my powers to win her back.
Ezechi. Okay, good, no problem. Now what do you want to do? How do you want to achieve this?
By going to Amankede. What? I have made up my mind and nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me.
Ezechi. Hey.
Ezechi. Disappointment on top appointment. Would you believe if we lose a chance? Na boogie my run, na boogie my run, na boogie my run. Only can do the job.
How is this possible? I thought I had Enyinaya all to myself. From nowhere, that witch arrived. I was able to chase that liar away. Now, I am going to do to her what I did to the other one. Yes! Enyinaya belongs to me. He is mine!
Lose a chance. Na boogie my run, na boogie my run, na boogie my run. Only can do the job. I know who for me, now put a long way. Only for money from my I know I love it, now put a long way. Only for
when you got him. My lady, I swear, my lady, nothing happened between us. I'm telling you the truth. I don't believe you. If I find out that you're lying to me, I will deal with you mercilessly. My lady, you have to believe me. Nothing happened between us. I swear by the gods. You better pray to your gods, because they won't be saving you next time. Stupid girl. Stupid. My lady, nothing happened. Nothing happened. The gods can baby. Nothing happened.
Because time is still waits for me. Or do I send word across the believe that you want to choose?
Not yet, Uncle. My mind is unsettled. More like I'm confused.
Confused? What for, my son?
What if I make the wrong decision? What then? will I be able to live with that fact for the rest of my life?
So, you've had enough time to make a decision. I cannot continue to wait forever. This issue of the land must be settled now.
I know, but I'm still very confused.
The only way in jail, in the camp, we allow Amagi to have control over the land is when he sees that you are ready and willing to marry his daughter Zarachi. Think about it.
Disappointment on top appointment. Would to believe if we lose a chance? Nabugi Maran, Nabugi Maran, Nabugi Maran. Only can do the job.
Has 3 women.
3 women?
Yes.
How do you mean? I mean, who are those women?
The one that is parading herself with him in the village, Ozoma, and the one that passed herself as a bride. Her name is Kamara.
What? Chineke. Are you serious? Hey! Wonder shall never end. So many things are happening in this Amaegede.
Wonder who will eventually settle down with him in this village.
In a just quiet. Me, of course. I'm one.
Please, I don't want to laugh, please.
What? Am I not beautiful? Yes?
You are beautiful.
Day and night, I'm thinking of you. Each love more. When you, Bobby more. If we're gonna I'll be searching for you.
Have you noticed what is going on between Enaya and Kamara? They seem to love each other.
I noticed it too.
There's problem in this palace. I feel I'm going back to my duty post, please.
Yes, going to.
Makana love Morara. Day and night, I'm thinking of you. Each love more. When you, Bobby more. If we're gonna each love more. Each monanga. Sambiri. biko chọrọ m obi m n'oge ka m na-achọ biko gbatanụ n'obi m n'oge ka m na-achọ. You can't take my rest.
What is wrong with you, you this stupid servant? I'm sorry, my lady. Do you want to break my toes? I'm very sorry, my lady. I'll take it. Continue, do this thing well, useless imbecile. What are you looking at? I'm sorry, come on, do this thing. I'm sorry, my lady. I'm sorry. Do it well. What kind of a girl is this? I'm sorry, my lady.
You shouldn't be here all by yourself.
What are you doing here?
Look, Kamara, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened.
You shouldn't be sorry. I can take care of myself.
No, it breaks my heart to see you sad. I don't like to see you this way.
You shouldn't be saying this to me. It isn't right. Zarachi is your betrothed. Please, I don't want more trouble from her.
Then do as I have asked. Come with me. Come to your hut. I cannot leave you all by yourself. I can't.
This is the only place that brings me joy. Allow me to be here, please.
I'm still trying to forget that you deceived me. I'm trying so hard.
You can't forgive me for lying. But you can forgive Zarachi.
Because it's easier.
And why is that?
Because she's not the one that broke my heart. She's not the one I'm in love with.
Makana love ekwere m rara. Day and night I'm thinking of you. Each love more. Onye baby mo. If we gone each love more. Each monanga. Sambiri wo. Nenu mo love mo. Nenu mo nyem na cho. I've been searching for you. I've been looking for you. Nebi kuchara mulo bimo nagi kam na cho. Biko batano no bimo nagi kam na cho.
You have to think about your people.
Kamara, I love you. I love you so much. You are the woman that holds my heart.
I love you too, Inaya. But I can't give you what you desire. Please, go with the one that will give you everything.
Kamara. Day and night I've been thinking of you. Each love more. Onye baby mo. If we gone it's love more. It's monanga. Sambiri wo. Nenu mo love mo. Nenu mo nyem na cho. If we love mo. Sambiri wo. I've been searching for you.
What are you doing here in Amagede?
Of course I came for you, Zarachi.
I already told you to leave me alone. I will marry my Naya.
Zarachi, do not do this to a beautiful soul like me. You just want to throw away the love we shared? Is that what you want to do? I cannot live with another woman, if not you. Please, don't do this to me.
I'm sorry.
Zarachi.
onye ọbụla sikwa ọbụla ya, ọ dị ọkwa mma. Zarachi biko.
Disappointment, top appointment. Would to believe if we lose a chance? Nabi my run, Nabi my run. Only can do the job.
What brings you to Amegede?
Sorry, but I don't feel like talking.
What if I can help you?
How do you think you can help me?
I know you are here for Zarachi. You must really love her to have followed her down here.
So, can you really help me? I want to see her.
Can I get you anything, like water?
No, thank you. I just want to know how you can be of help to me.
Okay. Naya belongs to me. The one Zarachi is after. I can see that you love her, right?
Of course. You're very right. I love her so much.
Okay. Then we have to work together. We have to work together so that you go back with your Zarachi while I stay with my Naya.
How do you intend to execute this plan? Because Zarachi has clearly told me that she does not want anything to do with me again.
Don't worry. Leave everything to me. I will handle it. Trust me. Yes. Erima, you are here.
How are you, my dear friend?
I'm fine.
And who is this stranger? I don't think I have seen him before.
My name is Ezechi. I am from Ogede village.
Ogede village? Isn't that where
Zarachi came from? Oh yes, my friend. He came all the way from Ogede village to claim his one true love.
I was beginning to think you changed your mind.
Oh no, of course not. We are here.
Okay, so what is the plan?
Ezechi, we are going to head over to Ininea's hut. You are going to confront him face to face as a man and claim your Zarachi.
Uzoma, was that the brilliant idea you were going to plan?
Yes.
I can't do that. I can't. Don't you think I must have thought of this before? If I do that, Zarachi will hate me. Listen, no, I can't go with such plan.
So, what else can we do? Do you want to kidnap her? I don't know.
You know, I was thinking you had something in your head. I was thinking you were going to help me.
Ozioma, I just told you to forget about this. Forget about it.
Oh, please, Erima. I don't even know why you came here with me. If you want to be of help to me, please go back to your father's hut.
Izechi, please calm down.
That's what you've been telling me.
We'll think of something else. Trust me, big one. Ozioma, don't do anything that will backfire.
Day and night I'm thinking of you. Each love more. If we're gonna it's a love more. It's a monama. Somebody was you know my love more. You know my name natural. If we just wanna love somebody was I'll be searching for you. I've been looking for you. Maybe control more be more. Nagi come natural. Because but I know be more. Nagi come natural. It can't take my rest if not I found you. I can't do without you, love more.
My friend, Ozioma, have you forgot about your stupid plan on how to get his in there?
No, I will never forget it. Engineer must surely be mine.
Now that Ezechi is in the picture, I know he will be of great help to me. But I don't know how. But I am sure of it. Yes. Who do you think he will choose between both of them?
How do you mean?
I mean, is it Kamara or Zarachi? Ozioma, what did I say wrong? Yeah, I was only trying. Hey, this is my mouth. Come on.
What are you doing here, Ozioma?
Zarachi, I know about you and Ezechi. Yes.
What are you talking about?
Zarachi, come on. Enough of the pretense. I will advise you to leave Amekede while you still can. Else, I will expose you before any Naya.
Sorry. I feel sorry for you. I am not the one you should be worried about.
What do you mean by that?
The one you should be worried about is Kamara.
How do you mean?
Enyinaya is in love with Kamara. So I would advise you walk hand in hand. You walk together and pull her out. Get her out of the way.
I see. So, Enyinaya prefers a common maid to the almighty Zarachi.
Are you in or not?
Fine. What is the
Kamara, my friend, I'm worried about you.
Why?
Why? I am not stupid, Kamara. I know what has been going on between you and Einaya. What do you think you're doing, Kamara? What do you think Zarachi will do to you when she finds out?
Oluido, it's not what you think. I don't know what to do. I've tried staying away from him. I've tried. But he loves me, and I love him too.
He is betrothed to Zarachi. You should stay away from him.
He loves me, not Zarachi.
Then let him make his decision and stop dragging you with him. If he loves you, he should declare this so-called love, or you stay away from him.
Oluido, why are you sounding like this to me? Why?
I just hope you understand.
Don't ever say you are sick and tired of your sister. You hear me?
Greetings, mother.
Uzioma.
Wanda.
Uzioma. Where are you coming from? The sun has fallen. It's late. We have been waiting for you.
Uzioma, we have been worried about you. Where on earth are you coming from?
Mother, I went to take care of things.
You went to take care of things.
I don't understand, Wando. You went to take care of things? How is your business? Eh? Let you mind your business in this household. Maka. Okay.
Uzioma. I should learn how to mind my business in this house. Mola Pogaka. Mother, did you hear her? Did you hear her?
Isika Arapiyaka.
Okay.
Ozioma.
Mother.
I am asking you. Is it Arapiyaka? We should leave you. Get inside, I'm coming. Go inside, I'm coming.
Should mind my business.
She's still not back.
Where could she be?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm worried.
Eh? Olga. It's okay. You can go back to your hut. I'll wait here till she comes back.
What are you doing here? Do you want to come in?
No. That is not why I came. Kamara, please. She's still not back. Did you send her anywhere?
Oh. So you came here to ask of my servant, Kamara? Was that why you disturbed my precious sleep?
Zarachi, she may be your servant, but she is human, and as such under my protection.
Well, I don't know where she is. She must have followed one man. That's how she behaves.
I thought you had a heart, but now you have proven otherwise. I'm sorry for disturbing your sleep. You can go back into your hut.
But that is how she behaves. Now she follows one man for one man.
I'm worried. I'm worried. My mind is unsettled. Eh? What if something has happened to her?
Maybe she has come to visit one of her numerous girlfriends.
Hey, Mama, Biko, please. Don't even start.
Calm down. I'm sure she's okay, wherever she is.
But Uncle, how can you be so sure now? How?
I just hope she's okay. Oh. I just hope she's okay.
Eh? What is going on here? Hey, where did you find her?
I found her in the bush.
In the bush?
Yes. I had to tell my sister.
So that was how I traded until I was able to rescue Kamara. Eh?
Thank you so much.
What is going on here?
Zarachi, how dare you? What were you thinking? Were you both planning on killing Kamara? Ozioma, I thought you were my friend. How? How could you do this?
Enyinaya, I love you. I have always loved you. I can't stand back and watch you choose them over me. Never! I've always been by your side all these years.
Now listen to me. Kamara is the woman I have chosen. She is the one I love. And she is going to be my bride.
You can't do that, Enyinya. Remember the promise you made to your father on his dying bed.
Mama, some promises are meant to be broken, especially this one.
Are you sure that's what you want to do? Think about what Amagide will lose.
It won't happen. I won't let you humiliate me. My father will hear about this. Be rest assured that Amagede will no longer benefit anything from my father.
Now listen to me, Zarachi. No amount of land is worth losing my Kamara. She was worth more than the entire land in Ogede and Amegede combined. Both of you. Now leave my presence before I do what I'll regret! As I leave!
This isn't the end. You will surely regret this. Aledo, let us go.
My lady, I will not be returning with you to Ogede. I'd rather stay here with my friend, Kara.
What? What did you just say? You fool! You will pay for this.
She said you should.
All of you will pay for this. All of you will pay for this.
Where do you leave to? Ona! Sorry. It's okay.
I'm sorry, Father.
I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. How could you do a thing like that? How? Why?
I'm sorry, Father. I thought I was doing the right thing.
Serves you right. Now, get out of my sight before I do something I will regret. Get out! It's not your fault! I pampered you all your life. I am to blame for all this. Oh yes, I am to blame.
Father, please listen to me.
Get out now! Get out! Go!
What are you doing here?
My love, please, I'm sorry. Please. My love, please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. My love, please, I just realized my mistake. Please, I've come back to you. Please.
My love. What is going on here?
Imagine this idiot. Imagine this witch coming to tell me that she's sorry.
What did she say to you? Why did you call him your love?
You heard her right. She's my wife.
Yes.
Now leave here. Leave here!
Please, I'm sorry. Why would she call you?
If you do not leave my compound now, I will kill you. You know what this witch did to me? Me, Ezechi. If not that you came to rescue me from the emotions. No be adromuma. Zarat! What? Zarachi! 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 Zarachi, 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 Zarachi.
Ọtụrụ onwe ya n'ụgbọ asị na n'oche eruteghị ya ụkpanụ kpoko gburu ọbụ ntị chiri ya ijiji na-anaghị ya mifere soso anani proud oh brings down the downfall of a man omenga ga mebe ọdịde soveni ọnwa nọchie anya ụfụ obi na-abụte n'ọnwa ifere ihe mana ife na-amaghị agaghị ebume ife na-amaghị gosi na-enye ọkatazisi Omi kpatara ịdị mma n'arụ m ọ bụ m butere ịfụnanya n'arụ m o nwere onye nnọchiri nke ya na-eji atụgharị